All right, let's just get right to it. If you're here, it's probably because you're trying to upgrade to Windows 11 and bam, you hit that secure boot error. Well, guess what? You're in exactly the right place. We're going to get that fixed right now.
So, you're all excited for Windows 11, right? You start the upgrade, everything's going great, and then you hit a wall. It is such a common roadblock. But the good news? It's actually a pretty simple fit.
Yeah, this exact message. If this looks familiar, that is actually a great thing. It tells us exactly what the problem is, which means we know exactly how to solve it. No guesswork needed.
And that is precisely what we're going to do. Let's turn this annoying error into a solved problem.
Okay, mission briefing time. Before we dive in and start changing settings, it really helps to know why we're even doing this. So, what in the world is Secure Boot anyway? Okay, so think of Secure Boot as a bouncer at the front door of your PC's startup club. It's not software. It's actually built right into your computer's core firmware, the BIOS. And its one and only job is to stop any shady characters, like bootkits or malware, from sneaking in before Windows even has a chance to wake up. So here's the deal. Without Secure Boot, it's like leaving the front door wide open. Malware can just waltz right in and mess with the very heart of your PC before your antivirus even has a chance to load. But with it enabled, that security guard checks the ID of every single thing trying to run at startup. It makes sure only trusted software from your manufacturer gets in. This is a huge deal, and it's exactly why Microsoft made it a requirement for Windows 11 to stop these really nasty low-level attacks.
All right, time for a little recon. Our first step is super simple and totally safe. We're just going to do a quick check to see what your PC's current status is. We're not changing anything yet, just gathering some intel.
This is so easy. Just press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. A little box will pop up. In that box, type MSInfo32. That's MSINFO32, and then just hit Enter. That's it. The system information window will open right up.
Okay, in this window, we're looking for two key things. First, find the line that says BIOS mode. You need that to say UEFI. If it says Legacy, that's one of our problems. Second, look for a secure boot state. If either of those says Legacy or Off, don't worry. You've just confirmed the issue, and now we're going to go fix it.
All right, here we go. The main event. We're about to venture into your computer's BIOS, or firmware settings, to flip that switch. Now, I know that can sound a little intimidating, but trust me, I'm going to walk you through every single click. It's actually really straightforward. First things first, we need to get to a special startup menu. So, open up your Settings app. From there, click on Update and Security. Then on the left side, find the Recovery tab. You'll see a section called Advanced Startup. Go ahead and click that Restart Now button.
Okay, so your PC is going to restart, but it won't go to your normal login screen. Instead, you'll see a blue menu with some options. Here's the path to follow. First, choose Troubleshoot. On the next screen, pick Advanced Options, and then there it is, the one we're looking for, UEFI Firmware Settings. Click that and then click Restart one last time. This will take you directly into the BIOS.
Okay, really important heads up here. The screen you're looking at now, it's going to look different for pretty much everyone. It totally depends on who made your computer. It might look super old school with basic text, or it might be more modern with a mouse cursor. Don't let it throw you. Just stay calm. You're just looking for menus or tabs with words like security, boot, or maybe authentication. Our target is hiding in one of those places.
All right, now you'll probably need to use your arrow keys to move around. Just hunt for an option that says Secure Boot. Once you find it, select it, usually by hitting Enter, and then change the setting from Disabled to Enabled. Simple as that. You've done the hard part. But wait, this next step is absolutely crucial. We have to save our changes. Navigate over to the Exit tab. You must choose the option that says something like Exit Saving Changes or Save and Exit. If you just exit without saving, all that work was for nothing. Go ahead and confirm yes, and your PC will restart like normal.
Okay, we're on the home stretch. Now we just need to double check that our change actually worked. So let's verify our mission was a success, and I'll give you a quick troubleshooting plan, just in case you hit a snag. Once you're back in Windows, we're going to do that exact same check we did at the beginning. So Windows key plus R, type MSInfo32 and hit Enter. Look for that secure boot state line again. If it now says on, then congratulations, you did it. Mission accomplished.
Now, what if it's still not working? Maybe the option was grayed out, or the setting just didn't stick. Don't panic. A couple of things to try. You can go back into the BIOS and look for an option to Load Defaults or Reset to Default Settings, and then try enabling Secure Boot again. If that doesn't work, a PC reset, the kind where you can keep your files, can sometimes clear things up. And of course, if you're really stuck, your computer manufacturer support is always the final step.
But honestly, for most of you, that verification step is going to show a big, beautiful on. You did it. You went into the BIOS, you enabled a critical security feature, and now your PC is officially ready for that Windows 11 upgrade. Awesome job.
So you didn't just fix an annoying error, you actually made your whole computer more secure in the process. Pretty cool, right? So as you finally start that upgrade, I'll just leave you with this question. What's the first new Windows 11 feature you're going to check out?